Stop scrolling, look at your hand. You're holding a glass slab. It's slippery, it's fragile, and honestly, it's kind of boring. But what if I told you the king of boss energy is plotting a return? The legendary BlackBerry click-clack keyboard, that iconic notification LED, and a 5G-ready future, the BlackBerry Key 5 is hitting the rumor mill. Is this the ultimate productivity beast, or are we just falling for the nostalgia bait? Let's find out. Design and display. In a sea of identical phones, the Key 5 is a total rebel. We're talking aerospace-grade aluminum and a rugged, Kevlar finish that feels like a tank in your palm. It doesn't just look premium, it's a statement. They've kept the soul of the device with that physical QWERTY keyboard, but refined it for 2026. Plus, that 4.5-inch display is finally rocking a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's buttery smooth, snappy, and yes, that pulsing LED light is officially back to keep you in the loop without you ever having to wake up your screen. Camera segment. Let's keep it 100. Old BlackBerry cameras were, well, let's just say they were, functional. But the Key 5, it's not playing games. We're looking at a 110 megapixel dual sensor setup. This isn't just about the massive pixel count, it's about real-world performance. Whether you're grabbing cinematic shots for the gram or capturing content on the fly, this setup is designed to give you that crisp, creator-level clarity you actually want. Performance. Don't let the retro keyboard fool you. This thing is an absolute workhorse. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. It's built to handle your heavy multitasking, your Slack notifications, and your daily grind without skipping a beat. Pair that with the latest Android OS and 5G connectivity, and you've got a device that isn't just surviving, it's thriving in 2026. Battery life. BlackBerry was the original king of reliability, and they are keeping that legacy alive. We're looking at a massive 5000 mAh battery. The word on the street is that this device is aiming for a solid 2 to 3 days of heavy use on a single charge. If you're tired of hunting for a wall outlet by 3 p.m., this might be your new best friend. The verdict. So, the big question, is it worth the hype? We're looking at a rumored price point around $350 to $400. If you value productivity, speed, and you're sick of the touch-only life, this could be the ultimate game changer. But I want to hear from you. Are you ready to ditch the lifeless glass slab for the satisfying click of a real keyboard, or has the touch-only life completely won you over? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.